So now today what we're going to do is a quick breakdown on Adam's new Panzer AR-12 because we couldn't find anything on the internet, and they're handy dandy instructions that come with the firearm, but there's a couple little things that the instructions leave out. So we're going to go through it and show you what we've done. So the carry handle is removed because we were actually missing the screws to do that. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and show clear, and then we're going to go ahead and start our breakdown. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this handy dandy nut. Take that off. There's a little collar you don't want to have fall. And then we found that this muzzle brake, you may need to rotate it to slide your foregrip off. But once you've got that off of there, then you can go ahead and take your barrel nut off. It will come completely off. So get that off of there, and now we want to get the barrel out of there. So go ahead and lock our charging handle back, and you want to give her a jiggle there and slide her on out.
Maybe. I think before we found that if you knock it out, there we go, a couple times, that helps you.
There you go.
All right.
Perfect. So this is tricky. We've got a little, it's where your front takedown pin would be on a normal AR. This actually rotates. You want to pull your charging handle back a little bit, and it was really stiff the first couple times we did it, and it's still really stiff. There we go. Once you get that rotated all the way, this is where the instructions can use a little help. What you want to do is pull this carrier back, so your bolt carrier, you're going to want a third hand, and what you're doing is you're lining up your charging handle with a slot in the center here. Once you have that lined up, this will slide right out, and then you can remove your bolt carrier assembly. Now you want to be careful when you pull this out because everything is loose. So this comes off, and this comes off. So now what you've done is you've got it broke down to where you can go ahead and give it a good clean. Now there's a little bit more of a breakdown that can be done. It involves getting in through the butt pad and getting into where you can separate your upper and lower and get in there. But for today's breakdown video, we're just showing you this portion of it, and we'll do another one where we show getting down through this to separate the upper and lower. But this is broke down, ready to clean, good to go. And what did we run? 50 rounds of birdshot through it today. No issues at all. So good firearm. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe.